we are frustrated because it's the last time that we play on Pare, and not feel good because we want to win on the last time. Assalamu alaikum. Selamat malam. First, I want to say terima kasih. Thank you for the supports coming to here to Pare. Fantastic environment. We know the sacrifice that you make. Some of you make many kilometers to be here. And unfortunately today we have many chances, but we not win. So we are frustrated because it's the last time that we play on Pare, and not feel good because we want to win on the last time. If you're going to see the game, I just remember 3 opportunities of them. One heading on the first half, the goal on the second half, and one shoot from Meyer outside of the goal. We have many chances. We have Mansarai alone, Adilson, we have the penalty. And if we're going to compare, this is not the excuse, it's the reality. If you're going to compare our last match and the referee of the last match and the referee for today, come on, always make the same mistakes. You can check.
Today we have unlucky. We have many chances for win the match, and we cannot score. Just score one, and it's not enough for me today. And today I make the mistake. Everybody today can see Yuran make the mistake because I miss the penalty. I'm here in front of everybody. Don't be afraid. Okay, can say mistake. It's my fault. Okay, it's not because we're not training, or it's not because the payment. It's not because nothing. Just miss. On the football we can win, lose, or draw, and today we draw because Yuran missed the penalty. I just want to say sorry. The next match, if have the penalty, I'm gonna try to score if the coach put me to shoot. But today I want to say sorry to the supporter because we want to win this last match at home.
I already speak about this yesterday. Now let's see. I hope and I wish that the people from the club gonna resolve the things. I think now we need to speak about the game. See that we make a good game. We create many opportunities, many corners, offensive corners. They just have 3. We have 10 or 11, something like this. And about your question, honestly, I hope that the club can resolve the things because it's important. We are professional and we live from our job, that is working on the football. So let's see what's going to happen. I just want to say that today I go sad to home because I never go to forget Pare. Together, and when I say together, I say supporters, journalists from here, from Pare, the players, the staff, all the staff of the club. We make a fantastic season last season. We win the Liga Sato, one situation that before get 23 years to can win again. So this was not the result that we want, to say bye-bye, to say goodbye, but I'm very happy with the environment of the supporters. I know that they are not satisfied because they want to win, but we also want to win. And I wish a safe trip for the supporters to come back to home. And I hope that when you're going to play against at home, not here, in another place, I know that you already make sacrifices to come here, but this is your passion. PSM Makassar is the oldest club from Indonesia. If you can go to see and support our players and our team, we appreciate. Terima kasih. In this moment, I'm not focused on this. I'm focused on next step. The next step is recover the players and prepare the next match and the next travel. We're going to play away. And we lose 2 points here. We need to catch points away. We must put this in our mind. And the points that we lose today, we need to catch away. About your question, football is what now is true, tomorrow is not true. So in football, many things happen. So let's enjoy the moment and let's see what's going to happen.